space indicator data activity of our which makes the data used for this emerging strikes.
Okay, team. Good evening, good afternoon, good afternoon. How many are here? 31. Right. So guys, before we take the marketing research part, how is your assignment? How is your assignment? Have you all started doing the assignment or what? Anyone? Have you all started doing the assignment? සෙනල් ඔයාට පුළුවන්ද මට assignment එක WhatsApp group එකේ මේ මට දාන්න පොඩ්ඩක්. All right, okay. I think I got Senal, are you there?
Yes, I shared it to WhatsApp. It's uploading. Yeah.
I can't find that in my PC. You know how many assignments are there?
It's still uploading from my end.
Yeah. All right. Finally found. රතු පාට එකනේ බිස්කට් එකනේ මේගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන්නේ නේ. Done. Got it. Okay. Thank you. Right. Okay, guys. Now, when it comes for assignment, not started yet. Now you all have to start it. You all have to start the assignment and. You'll have to make sure that you people are submitting as per the due date which is given. Right, okay. May assignment before I take the research part, because the Bhumali is taking the legal part by 3 o'clock, law subject. So for me to start the research part, I just need to look at, okay, how comfortable you are with the assignment. Anyone is having any questions? Okay, your assignment is all about the confectionery industry. Okay, this is about the confectionery market. So anyone is having any questions with relates to the assignment, whatever the areas you all have done so far? Provide the brief introduction to the company that you have selected. ඒක කරලා නැති කට්ටිය අත උස්සන්න තාම. company එක select කරලා නැති කට්ටිය. select කරලා නැති කට්ටිය. ක්‍රිෂාන් එල්ලන්න ඕනේ මේ වෙනකොට company එක select කරලා නැත්තා. You have to select the company by now. Right? company එක select කරලා නැති කට්ටිය අත උස්සන්න. එල්ලන්න ඕනේ කියපුවා එකක් අත උස්සන්න. So anyone who have not selected the company by now? Huh? So you all have only few companies now. So you all have to select the company, right? So it's all about confectionery industry. So Samadhi Fernando, as usual, you have not selected the company. So හැමදාම වගේ අන්තිම මොහොතේ තමයි Samadhi මේවා කරන්නේ. Right? මේ පාරේම මේ select කරගත්තේ නැත්නම් gone නා. Right. එතකොට question number give me 1 minute. Pimal supposed to start the session by 3, but he will get late a bit, so he will be starting by 4 o'clock. Okay, so now conduct the comprehensive marketing audit. Take the model sticker. Anyone who is having issues with the marketing auditing part? Senal, you have to put a notice on the marketing class. Hatarata join kela.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay. So anyone who is having who have started the task 2 in the assignment? Anyone? Okay. Demika, have you started? Yashoda, have you started the assignment? Demika, Yashoda, have you started the assignment?
I selected the company.
What is the company you have selected?
Uswatta Confusion.
Okay, cool. එතකොට දැන් ඒකේ මේ question 1 එක කරලා ඉවරද?
Yes, sir. Still gathering information.
වචන 250 ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ, right? So gathering information කියලා කියන්නේ you all have to finish. So task 2 එකේ කට්ටියට අමාරු area එක මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ? Task 2 part 2 assignment එකේ part 2 එක මොකද concern එක? Anyone is having any concerns in part 2? Anyone is having any concerns with part 2? Anyone? Beenu Vikramaratna, have you started? Beenu Vikramaratna, have you started? Beenu. Visal, have you started? Visal, Dayani, Varuni, Nipuni, have you started? Varuni, have you started? 0069. Varuni, have you started the assignment? Varuni, 0069.
Sir, yes, sir. Selected a company
What is the
and
company you have selected?
CBL, sir.
CBL, okay. So have you completed the task 1?
Partly completed, sir. Actually, I made a basic details, and now thinking about part 2, but I didn't start that yet.
Okay. So part 2, do you all have any issues? Nipuni, have you started the assignment, Nipuni? Nipuni gone. Okay, number 88, Nipuni. Have you all started the assignment?
Hello, sir.
Nipuni, patan the assignment එක?
Sir, I have selected Manchi as the company. I have gathered information, basic information, but not till started.
Okay, task 1 එක ඉවර කරන්න මේ සතියේ, but don't send me. Okay, task 1 එක මම බලන්නේ නැහැ. Right, task 2 එක I will support you all to talk about whatever the models and this thing. But task 1 එක නම් don't send me, so that you all have to do the task 1. So task 2 එකේ models ටික මොන හරි concerns තියෙනවා, because we were doing the marketing auditing part we were doing. Anyone is having any concerns with relates to the marketing auditing part, what we were talking about in task 2? Anyone? Audit එක ඔක්කොන්ටම comfortable ද? කතා කරන්න ඕනේ අප්පා. කතා කරන්නවත් නැතුව කොහොමද දාන්නේ? yes කවුද මේ අත්ත උස්සන්නේ කොට එන yeah Krishan as usual මොනවාද
Yes, the audit part is little bit. If you can explain again little bit with the example.
I want you all to do because I have given the briefing. I want you all to start because me repeat करने का recording एक बार आने पुलांग Krishan. I want you all to come up with queries, questions. When you start, you will come up with problems.
Okay.
You can look at the recordings. I want you all to, because when you start, you will get questions, issues. Because we are in the final stage, my dear friends. Okay. So, I mean, concern එක තියෙන්නේ අපි අරගෙන ගන්න මොකද පටන් අරගෙන අපි හිතමු මේ මොඩල් එක මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ වැලියු චේන් එක ඉම්ප්ලිමන්ට් කරගෙන ආවා මම මෙතන හිර වුණා. ඒතර මට අහන්න පුළුවන් ඕපන්ලි වැලියු චේන් එකේ කොතනද ඔයා ස්ටක් වෙච්ච තැන. මම වීඩියෝ මොඩල් එක ඉම්ප්ලිමන්ට් කරන්න ගියා මට මේ එක ඉම්ප්ලිමන්ට් කරා මේ පාර්ට් එක ඉම්ප්ලිමන්ට් කරන්න බැරුව. වීඩියෝ මොඩල් එකම ඉම්ප්ලිමන්ට් කරන්න බෑයි කියලා කියන්නේ එතන පොඩි question mark එකක් තියෙනවා. So like that, whatever the area which is not comfortable, I will brief you.
Okay.
හරිද? මොකද මම ආයි මුලින්දම brief කරන එක it's no point මොකද auditing එක කියලා කියන්නේ පැය 4ක area එකක් Krishan. Right? Audit එක අපි ඉවර කරේ පැය 4ක area එකක් අරගෙන because it was comprehensive area because it was connected with the marketing plan. The marketing plan එකේ steps ටිකත් එක්ක marketing plan එකේ steps ටිකත් එක්ක තමයි මේ එක යන්නේ. ඉතින් so we have to make it in that way. Right. So select කරගන්න guys models ටික right models ටික select කරගෙන ලියන්න පටන් ගන්න. Don't wait till the last moment because one reason my dear friends why I am pushing you all now I will get stuck from end of November. I will not be able to individually support you all. Individually මට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට time එක දෙන්න බැරි වෙයි end of November ඉඳලා February වෙනකන් I'll be stuck in a separate assignment. ඒතර මට time එක පොඩ්ඩක් මම අඩු වෙනවා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට individually මේ ගන්න ඒඳ මේ ටිකේ පුළුවන් තරම් ඉක්මන් කරලා ඒක ඉවරයක් කරගන්න. So because anyway we have done almost all the parts that are related to the assignment. So task 2 we have completed this assignment part. Then task 3 we talk about prepare sales objectives for the next financial year. Student must minimum 2 objectives. Objective design karne ka we were talking about, right? We were talking about objective design karne ka. So do that. Then head of sales and leadership also comes from the previous chapter. So audit එක විතරයි audit එකයි part 2 and part 3 only the crucial point. So Shiny you wanted to ask a question.
Yes sir, good evening sir.
Good evening.
මම select කරගත් දැන් select කරන්න කියලා හිතාගෙන ඉන්නේ උස්වත්ත products ටික. එතකොට එයාලගේ ගොඩක් products තියෙනවානේ sir. එතකොට අපි අර audit tools එහෙම use කරනකොට products ඔක්කොටම එකවරින් use කරනවද නැත්නම් මොකක් හරි එක product එක අරගෙන අපි use කරන්න ඕනේද?
උස්වත්ත confectionaries නේද? නෑනේ පුතා මේ question එක උස්වත්ත confectionery ගත්තොත් okay they have a product range TPT pendem they are glucose නේ උස්වත්ත. Okay then question what is there in the question says conduct a comprehensive marketing audit covering both macroeconomic and microeconomic perspectives. Your study must cover the minimum 8 auditing tools. පුතා මේක දාන්නේ company එකටනේ අපි. එතකොට industry එකටනේ අපි දාන්නේ. දැන් අපි ගත්ත උස්වත්ත is in confectionery industry න. right? එතකොට උස්වත්ත confectionery industry එක. මෙතන අපිට බෑ tipi tip එක විතරක් ඒක කරන්න. No, not like that. Generally for entire Uswatta, since Uswatta is into confectionery industry, ඒකට තමයි අපි දාන්නේ. ඒක දැන් මෙතන අපි Uswatta එක ටිපි ටිප් කරනවායි කියලා ටිපි ටිප් එකට විතරක් අපිට දාන්න බෑ ඒක. you know? So political scenarios ටිපි ටිප් වලට විතරක් බලපාන්නේ. Political scenarios තාමනාරි Uswatta එකේ product එකක් මට කියන්න. So what are the products? Okay, ටිපි ටිප් තියෙනවා.
Jujubes තියෙනවා සම.
first තියෙනවා.
biscuit items products තියෙනවා.
What?
බිස්කට්ස් ගොඩක් තියෙනවා යාලගේ.
ඉතින් ඒ ඔක්කොන්ටම දැන් ඒ සිනාරියෝස් ඒ ඔක්කොන්ටම බලපානවනේ පුතා. එතකොට එතන කතා කරන්න ඕනේ ජෙනරලි මුළු උස්සත් එකටම බලපාන සාධක විදියට. එහෙම නැතුව එක ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එකක් අරගෙන කතා කරන්න කියලා නෑ මෙතන.
Okay sir. Thank you.
No worries. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
so Dayani, CBL group of companies ගත්තොත් sir ඒකට අයිති sir ඒකට අයිති හැම මේ company එකක්ම එතකොට ගන්න ඕනද?
තේරුණා නැහැ. Group of companies කියලා මොකද්ද ඔයාලා mean කරන්නේ?
CBL ගත්තොත් ඒගොල්ලෝගේ තව subsidiary තියෙනවනේ.
පාපා එක කැටගරි එකක් ගන්න. එක company ඔයා CBL වල තියෙන එක මොකක් හරි company එකක් අරගන්න. නැත්නම් ඔයාට ලොකු analysis එකක් කරන්න වෙනවා. That is bit tough. Don't go into that level. මොකද මෙතන ඔයා එක ගත්තොත් හිර වෙනවා දැන්. Don't take it. Take one company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Uswat, okay. Okay. Shine, we were answering. Anyone else? Anyone? Any other questions? Any other questions? Senal api me auditing ke recording share karada marketing planning, marketing auditing. If not, please share it. Right?
Yeah, so yeah, I think all the recordings up till today has been shared.
Share. Right. Okay. So anyone else is having any other questions? Anyone else is having any other questions? What about part? Yeah. Who is this?
So Dayani.
Yes, Dayani.
Sir, confectionery කියලා ගත්තාම sir රස කැවිලි කිව්වහම ඒ කියන්නේ බිස්කට්ස් සීරියල් වර්ගත් රස කැවිලි වලට අයිති වෙනවද sir?
මොනවාද?
සීරියල් වර්ග බිස්කට්ස් ඔක්කොම රස කැවිලි ගණනටද වැටෙන්නේ?
Biscuits anyway it is there, right? Under confectionery industry the biscuits and tiara ඒවත් එනවා. But මොනවාද cereal වර්ග එනවාද කියන එක you have to study that. I can't over the counter tell you whether it is there or not. You have to study that. ඒක මට idea එකක් නෑ දායනි, but biscuits and them are there.
Right, sir.
But cereal වර්ග bit of ඔයා කියන්නේ සමපෝෂ වගේ නේද?
Oh sir.
But I'm not quite sure whether it is coming under the confectionery industry. You have to check it. මට ඒකේ idea එකක් නෑ මොකක්ද ඒකට ඒක වැටෙන industry එක කියලා, but if that is the case, yes. Bhavani, Elephant House select කරගන්න බෑ. Elephant House is into beverage. ඒක soft drinks and the beverage industry. ඒක confectionery industry එක නෙමෙයි. ඉස්සෙල්ලා guys study the confectionery industry. We need to study the confectionery industry. නැත්තම් confectionery industry එක මොකද්ද කියලා දන්නේ නැතුව මොකද මේ assignment එකේ clearly කියලා තියෙනවා confectionery market එක ගැන අපි කතා කරන්න කියලා. ඒතර beverages does it come under the confectionery market? එහෙම එන්නේ නැත්තම් අපිට ඒක ගන්න බෑ පුතා. එන්නේ නෑ. To my knowledge beverage doesn't considered under confectionery industry. So companies තියෙනවානේ. companies තියෙනවා biscuit manufacture කරන companies ඔය පොඩි then again Mota I think can, but you have to study Aniston jelly type products. Mota අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම since Uswatta is also there, Uswatta එකෙත් ඒ products types කරන හින්දා study whether Mota product category whether it match with the confectionery industry. Jelly products නේ අපි මේ කියන්නේ. right? එතකොට ඒක confectionery industry එකට එනවාද කියන එක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. ඒක බලන්න නැතුව මට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න අමාරුයි. මම හිතන්නේ එන්න ඕනේ නැති වෙන්න හේතුව නැහැ. You just go to Mota website. Mota website එකේ ගියවම connection to www.mota.lk is not secured කියලා. මේ මොකද්ද? okay. Mota confectionery works තියෙනවා නම් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. So that is okay. Right? So එතන ඒගොල්ලොන් කියලා තියෙනවා. Okay, I'm in Mota site now. Right? Jelly crystal because so if they say it is confectionery industry, it is perfectly okay. You all can take it. Now Mota Confectionery Works Private Limited. Perfectly okay. So then you can take that area into this study.
Sir.
Yes, who is this?
Lairu.
Yes, Lairu, go ahead.
Sir, මේකේ දැන් ලංකාවේ ටික ෆේමස්ම කම්පැනිස් ඕනේ නැහැ නේ අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඕනේ ගන්න.
මෙහෙමයි පුතා කේස් එක තියෙන්නේ ලංකාවේ ෆේමස්ම කම්පැනි ඕනේ නැහැ. I'm not saying like that, but known company එකක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. අපි හිතමු කොයි හරි මොනරාගල අස්සක අද පටන් ගත්ත කම්පැනියක් වුණොත් පොඩි කේස් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේ එකක් බෑ. Right? You know what I mean ලහිරු නේ? ඒ කියන්නේ කොයි හරි අස්සක අද පටන් ගත්ත කම්පැනි එකක් ඔයා දාලා මේවා කරොත් එතන අවුලක් තියෙනවා. එතන නම් බෑ. Famous වෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. දැන් ඔය තියෙනවා even Little Lion is not that famous but they are into confectionery නේ. Little Lion biscuit එක one of the famous biscuit නේ. ඒකවත් තියෙනවානේ. So you can talk about perfectly okay. Famous වෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. top 5 range එකට එන්නේ නැහැ කියලා මේකකුත් නැහැ but known company එකක් වෙන්න ඕනේ කියන එක තියෙනවා. මොකද නැත්තම් examiner ට වෙනම effort එකක් දාන්න වෙනවා company එක හොයන්න. සහ ඊට පස්සේ මේ වැරදිලවත් examiner එක හොයා ගන්න බැරුණොත් ඔයාගේ ලකුණු තමයි යන්නේ. So that is the reason, right? Now අපි සමහරවල් දැකලා තියෙනවා සමහර students ලා they are coming up with examples, okay? Now that example it's very difficult even to Google and find. This is the reality, okay? I'm telling. So ඒ වගේ වෙලාවක මොකද වෙන්නේ? එහෙම වුණාම මේ examiner සමහර වෙලාවට යා marks දෙන්නේ නැහැ. So we need to be careful. Sakya, I chose Mota too and was hoping to discuss about confectionery industry. Sorry, ingredients they sell like confectioners, sugar, gelatin, etc. Is this right? Raw material, nah? Look at the assignment again. Let me see the assignment again. I need to check. Okay, when you read the assignment, okay, survival of the construction industry, the manufacturing industry now increase the significantly impact on the cost of manufacturing. I might say no, Sakya. Because you are talking about these two products are the raw material. Now these two products have got anyway stuck because of the price duty structure, changes in the duty structure and all these things. Now gelatin and the confectioner sugar and all these things are used by the used for manufacturing process, not for final products. The best thing not to take that. Because it's the raw, that is the raw material what we are talking about. I think wait. A brief introduction about the company conduction and company's marketing sales objective that financial institute. I need to get back to you, Shakya, on that. Okay, question එක ගත්තයි කියන එක issue එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Question ඒ කියන්නේ area එක ගත්තයි කියන එක issue එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ as per these 4 questions. But do you think you can manage with all the information required, Shakya? Do you think you can manage with all the information? You can find all the information related to this.
Yes, I think I can.
You think you can?
I have a certain context from Mota company, so maybe I can talk to them and ask for the real details and all. I do so.
Okay, but let me confirm once again, right? If that is okay, I'll give the feedback today or tomorrow. If that is okay, would be okay.
Sure,
right?
so Mahesh.
I'll tell you over the counter, but give me time till tonight and tomorrow morning. I will give you feedback. Any other questions? Any other questions? Hopefully okay, but I'm not giving you a straightforward answer now. So any other questions? Good that you are coming up with those questions. So any other questions? Anyone else?
Sir.
Real Iru.
පුළුවන්ද දැන් පැරසන්ස් වගේ ගත්තොත් ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ තියෙනවා මේ කන්ෆෙක්ෂනරි අයිටම්ස්. ඒකට ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ කැටගරි කියන්නේ බේකර්ස්නේ. ඒතර ඕල් රවුන්ඩින් අරගෙන ඒ ප්‍රොඩක්ට්ස් ටික බේස් කරගෙන අපිට යන්න පුළුවන්ද නැත්නම් ඒක ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් නැද්ද මේ අසයින්මන්ට් එකත් එක්ක?
මම නම් ඒක වැරද්දක් දකින්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාට ඒකේ තියෙන ආලු පාන් ගල්බනිස් ඒවා අරගන්න බෑ. You have to take that. They have a biscuit category අර cookie categories එහෙම වගේක් තියෙනවානේ. එතකොට ඒ range එක අරගෙන you will be able to, because that is also comes they are competing. They are competing each other.
High income from that category.
ඒකනේ they are competing. They are giving a competition for biscuit category. So are the other competitors. ඉතින් ඒ හින්දා it is okay. But you need to make sure when you are explaining the company and this thing, you are talking only on this category. You have to mention, you know. Otherwise, it will be a issue. නැත්නම් presence කියපු ගමන් එකපාරටම mind එකට යන්නේ. මොකද short it වෙනවනේ. So don't, you just have to mention, okay, presence this product, this category, business category. So it's a separate SBU කියන එක mention කරලා ඉවර වෙලා. It's obvious no, the bakery item goes in a separate SBU and the confectionery item goes in a separate SBU නේ. So ඒක separate SBU එකක් කියලා mention කරලා ඉවරලා ඒ පැත්තෙන් තමයි වාට යන්න වෙන්නේ. Company, the whole company will be able to take it perfectly okay. Do they have a good range? Do they have a good range?
They have some ghetto cakes also there. Ghetto cakes and all the cake categories are there.
Cake categories are there, which means are those products takeaway products or have it there, the bakery type other products? Okay.
So they have on outlets there.
Okay, no. No, me cookie tins තියෙන මේ තියෙන butter රස ඇති cookie twist.
It's creative base.
Chocolate chip cookies. That is okay. That is okay. Take it. That is okay. Because they are competing anyway with Munchie and Melbourne in these categories. I mean, butter asati cookie. I don't know what. තියෙනවනේ issue එකක් නැහැ. මේ confection කියලාම line up එකේ ඒගොල්ලෝගේ තියෙනවනේ වෙනම. That is okay. You can take it.
Thank you.
What else? What else, guys? What else? What else? Tamanada. තියෙන issues. Are issues නැහැනේ? No issues, no? Prabhavi, you have any issues? Assignment එක ගැන? Prabhavi. Then Kavindu, you have any issues? Sanjay, you have any issues? Sanjay 180. So can we take the fab which makes cakes or Ashini, I can't give you an answer over the counter, but does it comes under confectionery industry? Study kalla if it is coming under confectionery industry and you can justify now, you can do that. But make a මේ එහෙම බැලුවොත් අපිට ස්පොන්ජ් එක පවා ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම බැලුවොත් අපිට barista Java වගේ ඒවත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. But you study whether that is coming under confectionery industry, very doubtful. මම දන්නවා ඔයා ඊළඟට එන එක preference ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් කොහොමද කියන එක. ඇයි බැරි කියන එක. So confectionery category එකකට එනවද? ඒගොල්ලෝගේ cakes වලට ඒගොල්ලෝ okay. ඊට අමතරව you go to our story menus, cakes, dessert, pudding, sweet, delight. What else? Snack, puddings. I don't think so. At least parents Sons වගේවත් ඒගොල්ලොන් they are coming into this sweet delight. Just study. මට වාට ඒකට උත්තරයක් දෙන්න බෑ. ඔය account මට website එක බැලුවාමත් පුතා මේ ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ cookies තියෙනවා but they are not that strong in there. Cakes වලට yes. එහෙම බැලුවොත් අපිට ලොකු වෙන segment එක dilute වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. So it's not directly confectionery කියන category එකට. හෂිනි පැහැදිලිද?
So I had to leave because of connection issue. And log again now.
You didn't hear what I said?
Yes, I didn't hear.
Okay, now a bit doubtful about the fab because even I went through the website. I can't. Okay, the cookies and them are there too, but they are strong in cakes, right? And but they are not into mainly the confectionery industry as per my idea. But study. I mean, it's better not taking that one. It's better not. මොකද අපි dilute වෙන්න පුළුවන් පුතා. මොකද එතන මෙතන කියන එක market එකට approach කරන්න බෑ. Pack sizes වලින් පොඩි pack sizes වලට affect වෙනවා. Duty structure එක manufacturing වලට challenges එනවා. මේ දේවල් එක්ක බලනකොට fab එක ඒ product category එක ලොකුවටම නෑ. ඒතකොට ඒ හින්දා එතන පොඩි concern එකක් තියෙනවා පුතා. ඒ හින්දා just study further. I can't tell you over the counter whether to take it or not. But I'm recommending to avoid. But if you can prove it is good strongly in confectionery, still I don't mind, but you have to prove that they are strong in confectionery and they are giving competition for top players කියන එක. දැන් parents Sons biscuit category එකේ කීපයක් හරි main competitors ලත් එක compete වෙනවනේ. Right? So අන්න එහෙමත් වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් එතන පොඩි concern එකක් තියෙනවා. පැහැදිලිද හෂිනි?
Yes, sir, thank you.
No worries. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? So we need to start the research one. Anyone else, my dear friends? Anyone else? Anyone? No one. Right. Okay. Done. Assignment is done. So complete task 1 and 2 immediately. I mean, if possible, the whole assignment anyway. So 1 and 2 අඩුම ගානේ මේ සති දෙක ඇතුළත ඉවරයක් කරලා දාන්න. Right. Okay. So we started the marketing research one. Can someone summarize headings what we were talking about? Can someone summarize the headings we were talking about? Can someone summarize? මට කවුරුහරි summarize කරන්න අපි කරපු headings ටික cover කරපු topics ටික marketing research වල. Okay, Yashoda, are you there? Yashoda 0006. Yashoda, are you there? Dharani, are you there, puta? Dharani, are you there? Demika, are you there? or whoever who have taken down the notes, can someone tell me whatever the headings we were taking down? මුන් එක එකක් note ලියාගෙන නැද්ද? Haven't you all taken down any of the notes? Shayan, Kritika, Ashini. Yes, Krishan. Yeah. What are the topics we were talking about?
Research kara, data collection kara.
Huh? Another?
Marketing research.
Okay.
Marketing research kara. Marketing research. And the other one is data collection.
Data collection. Did you talk about primary, secondary?
Primary data, we have spoken. Data, not.
Huh?
There are two types of data collections approaches: secondary research and primary data.
Okay. So did I explain what is secondary, what is primary? Have I given a note?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are the last one is primary data. There are few methods to collect primary data: observation, consumer surveys, focus group discussion, experimental. That's the last one.
That is the last one. So we were not talking about sampling. We were not talking about any of those, no? Okay.
No.
Right. So, gentlemen, now we identified what is marketing research. Now coming into marketing research. Marketing research MCQs aduma 5ක් එනවා. Minimum 5 MCQs will be there for your paper. So just listen and take down whatever the notes, right? So, right. So we identified what is marketing research, and we identified how marketing information systems support the company. We know what is marketing information system. Now any company is having information system. Even a retail shop with even a very basic mudalali is having an information system. But how? Do they really have an information system? If so, how? Now let's say, as an example, we were talking about කඩේකට ගිහිල්ලා මුදලාලි මේන්ටේන් කරනවා එයාගේ සේල්ස් ඩේ බුක් එක. එතකොට ඒකේ තියෙනවා කොච්චර බඩු විකුණනද, ඒ පොතේම අනිත් පැත්තේ වෙන්න පුළුවන් කී දිනකට ණයට දුන්නද, කාටද ණයට දුන්නේ, ඒ පොතේම මැද වෙන්න පුළුවන් කාගෙන්ද බඩු අරගත්තේ කියන එක. So like that, so everything will be maintained in one particular book, but he is having some kind of a information bank where he can take decision whenever he need to take. එතකොට එයා දන්නවා දවසට කොච්චරක් විතර විකිනනවද. After about couple of months he knows okay දවසට සිගරට් මෙච්චරක් යනවා, පාන් ගෙඩි මෙච්චරක් යනවා, කිරිපිටි පැකට් මෙච්චරක් යනවා, සබන් කඩ මෙච්චරක් යනවා. So that detail he can use to stock items and take whatever the advanced discount benefits from the suppliers and all these things. So it is an information system for himself in a small scale. But the same thing might be a bit of advanced scale. Maybe we are using a computerized system you have in a multinational company or a company which is managing the whole country. So marketing informations are crucial to take the business decisions. So what does marketing research do? Marketing research support the marketing information. So marketing decision makers with required information. Hope we have taken down the marketing research planning process. Maithane api එක ලියාගත්ත නේද research planning process එක? Did අපි ලියාගත්ත නේද? We were taken down. Okay. Now බැලුවොත් එහෙම තියෙන problem එකකට solution එකක් හොයන්න තමයි අපි research එකක් කරන්නේ. එතකොට මේ problem මේ data collect කරලා data information විදිහට convert කරගෙන, so those information we are using for the decision making purpose. So I mean, it can be a small organization or a multinational, whatever. You need the marketing information for decision making purpose. So that is why I said, okay, retail shop එකක් වුණත් අපි take on. So marketing information වල අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම, okay, identifying the research problem, then planning the research. Okay, research එක plan කරනවා, implementing and data collection, converting data and get information, finally sending information for decision making purpose are the 5-step process in the marketing research planning. So there we need, okay, when it comes for planning part, we were talking about couple of areas to be focused in our marketing research planning. So there are one step, the data collection method we were talking about. One step is the data collection method, where we said, okay, you can use two major data collection methods. One is the secondary data collection method, and the other one is the primary data collection method. So there we stopped our notes from there. So we identified the secondary data as the data what we collect from sources which is already available. Internal වෙන්න පුළුවන්, external වෙන්න පුළුවන්, whatever the way. එතකොට ඒකේ තියෙන advantage එක තමයි the less cost and the time consumption is very less in retrieving those data. But disadvantages are also there. We were talking about disadvantages. Some data may not be relevant. Some data would have been outdated. Some data may not be sufficient. So like that. එතන ඒ වගේ disadvantages තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම අපි කිව්වා if the secondary data are not sufficient to take a decision. If the secondary data are not sufficient to take a decision, then you are moving into the primary data collection. So the primary data collection, when we really look at the primary data collection, is mainly the fresh data collection. Primary data කියලා කියන්නේ අලුත්ම data. ඒ කියන්නේ කවුරුවත් collect කරපු data නෙමෙයි. එතකොට අලුත්ම data තමයි අපි collect කරන්නේ. So that is mainly for the purpose what we have right now. The research purpose what we have right now. So that is why we are collecting those data. So ඒක ගැනත් අපි ලියාගත්තා. Did we discuss the benefits out of these two advantages and the disadvantages of these two? Did we discuss? We discuss the advantages, disadvantages out of these two. Can someone tell me, please? Kata karada api advantages, disadvantages.
No, sir.
Kata karada. Right. Huh? Kata karada නැද්ද? Who was that? කතා කරාද නැද්ද? Advantages, disadvantages. Okay, take down. Huh? එකෙක් ගාවත් note නැහැ නේද මං හිතන්නේ. අනේ අම්මෝ.
No, we haven't. No, we haven't.
You have not.
No.
See, solid answer. Right, good. So see, we'll take down now. So advantages and disadvantages of, let's look at secondary data first. Advantages and disadvantages of secondary data. Heading, advantages and disadvantages of secondary data. First, we'll take down advantages. Secondary data's